there's no fish in that too.
We're in a town, not a city. All right, I'm gonna take the net back down here. Well, I'll put it right here for a walk back. When we walk back to the car. That was a good skipper right there. That might work. Pick it up fast enough, it might.
Yeah, Liam, they're all up on here. That's all contact. All right. Yeah, keep an eye. Hey, Liam! Move! Leave it! Liam,
It's, hey, calm down.
yeah, it's supposed to see.
Look at this. This is a beautiful tree. Look how cool that is. That's like movies, ain't it? That's so cool. Don't want to go up under there though. Probably some big snakes in that tree. That's so cool though. And it starts going up. Look, it's growing out of the ground. Look at these vines. Look at these. Look how far the root goes. Look at that. Straight into the other tree. The other tree grew up. So that means this tree cloned that tree and that tree. See the root? Root goes straight up underneath of it. Then that's when them trees started growing. So it cloned itself. That's so cool. Then look, it don't end. Then look, keeps going down here. See these two little sticks right here? Those are the roots. The roots go down to this tree. So this tree was cloned along with them ones. It goes up and down. It grows down in the water and then up. Huh.
Look at me, guys. Oh, that's nice. Oh!
So these three trees right here was cloned from that tree. And nature did it all. That's amazing. All right. We're about to play in the creek. Have a good day, everybody.